Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the CEL explosion over concrete slab, reinforced concrete slab with a steel beam as the supporter here. See here, if I click here, if I request this exterior edge, you can see the mesh of the part and the damage which has happened during this uh, CEL explosion. See the damage of the concrete. You can see the damage is the concrete is fully damaged. This is the concrete with 35 megapascal compressive behavior, and you can see the deformation and damage which has happened. Tactile damage also here. Plastic strain in the model, then the plastic strain rate, yield criteria, or anything else like the stress, for instance. Now let me remove concrete. You can see the reinforcement and still here plastic strain, Johnson-holmquist damage which has happened at the middle, at the center of the explosion. Here see the deformation. Okay, now let me use feature edge and then replace all. Sorry, I need to make it here. For instance, request again the damage for concrete, then here request this, and if I click and animate, you can see the detonation. Here see, this is the TNT growth. It is a heavy example, and because of that you need, see here, you need a huge volume in your drive C to save the result of this example. See here, okay. Now let me use this view and this view. You can see it here, or zeta direction, or this direction. Here, this is the view cut, and then let me use this as 100. Then request the density. See, this is the density of the TNT at the end of the model. The TNT volume fraction. See, the first it is, and after the simulation it is here. Or we can request the stress as the pressure for it. You can see that. Okay, so if you want, or if you need to learn this analysis, the CEL explosion over the reinforced concrete slab with externally steel beam, you can use this tutorial. We use damage property for the concrete steel parts, the CEL method for the explosion, and you can find this tutorial on our website here, abacusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on the title, then you will have this simulation here as the parts assembly, definition, material step interaction load, and then the result as figures. The file contains, or the tutorial contains CAE, INP, codes, paper, English video step by step, and the cost is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. Also here we have a full package contain 400 tutorials, more than 400 tutorials uh, about all things in Abacus simulation and modeling. You can read about this package here, this full package here. It contains all things that you need to learn to be a master in modeling and simulation in all fields, in all fields. So if you need this full package, the cost for that is 230 euros. And uh, if you need to know more about this full package, content, price, payment method, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.